Hi, I'm going to demonstrate this indicator. It's quite simple, to be honest. First of all, this indicator helps you get notified whenever the candle touches your key level. Okay, so first of all, let's just draw whatever you want to draw here using the standard MT5 drawing tools. For example, let's pick a trend line. I'm gonna put a trend line here, assuming that, if the price breaks this line, then I want to be notified. And you're gonna get a regular alert with a sound, and that's it. Okay. The purpose of this indicator is just to help you be. Oh, I forgot. So once you draw whatever you want to draw, you have to drop the indicator on the chart. That's it. Nothing else you have to do. That's all. Now this indicator will be listening and observing if the candle touched your key level or not. So any trend line here would be considered as a key level. Okay, so the indicator will consider any trend line as a key level. I can have as many trend lines as I want without an issue. So I'm gonna put like a line here somehow. I just want the price. See, we got notified. Hey, your trend line has been touched, and it tells you the ticker, your USD, and it doesn't matter if the trend line touches, if the candle touches the trend line up or down. As long as it touches it, it's gonna notify you just to get your attention, so you can look at the uh, chart and make a decision here. What should you do with that? Okay. Now, what if you have like two trend lines? Will it work? Yes, you can do that. You can do like a flag if you want. So whether it breaks up or down, you're gonna be notified. You don't need to rename these objects to something unique. You can if you want. Let's say I'm gonna just name it top, and I'll name this one bottom. So the moment the price crosses the line, see, so touches the line, doesn't matter. It can cross, come back, up and down. As long as it touches the line, doesn't matter how many times, you're gonna be notified that many times. Okay. Okay. Now, what if you wanna? The second thing that this indicator can also look for, which is horizontal line. So you have a trend line. You can have as many as you want, and you can have a horizontal line as well, along with whatever trend lines you have. So I can put a trend line here. Let's say I'm putting it now. Don't take don't consider this as like a trading tutorial. No, I'm just showing you how the indicator works. I am not making any financial decision at this point. Okay, so if I take this indicator, like this horizontal line, and put it here, because I want to be notified. Let's say the price breaks my upward trend line and somehow ends up breaking the horizontal line. I want to be notified here. So, see, I got notified because the price dropped. See, it touched the bottom line. And you'll be just bugged. You'll be bugged with the sound, to be honest, until you either remove the indicator or. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Oh my god. Okay, so let me just take this because I want to show you how the horizontal line works. So I have the. Come on, go up. Okay, that's it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put the horizontal line down here. Okay. Anyway, so if it touches either of the trend lines or horizontal line, you're gonna be notified. Okay, that's the moral of the indicator. The question is, can you have multiple horizontal lines? Yes, you can. I can have as many as I want. What's the limit? I didn't put any limit, to be honest. Do you have to rename something in the properties? No, you don't. Unless you want to name this for your own sake, fine. You can name it whatever you want. But as long as you drag the indicator and put it in the chart, it will start listening for the price movement, whether it touched your either your trend line that's on the chart or horizontal line. There's one more thing that I didn't mention yet, is the rectangular. This is also one of the things that the indicator looks for or listens for. So if you put, let's say you have a consolidation and you don't want to stare at your screen, okay? And you just want to be like alerted the moment the price breaks either the top part of the rectangular or the bottom part. Then yeah, you can just draw your rectangular and make sure that your, of course, indicator is on the chart, and you can see it at the far top left. If you don't see that here, that means your indicator smart line is not on the chart. But now since it's on the chart, it means it's listening. Okay, so let's wait for this and see what's going to happen if it touches the upper part of the rectangular or the lower part. And the only purpose for this is just to, again, to hear the bell and bring your attention to the chart, and then make your own decision at that point. What should you do? Okay, I'm going to bring that rectangular a little bit close here. Oops. So the market can break it easily. And as we're waiting, the question is, can you have multiple rectangular? Yes, you can. You can have multiple ones if you want. See, we broke that. It says, hey, touched rectangular border. And it just gives you the object name of that rectangular, because if you have multiple ones sometimes and you want to know, okay, which one it touched, you can just right click here, see the name, and you would know that. Like this one by default would have some sort of a random number as well. That's different than this one. You can give it a name. Okay, so the question, the thing is, you can have as many rectangular as you want. Okay, you can have one here, one here, and please be advised that if the price keeps fluctuating within the rectangular, you're not gonna get alerts. Okay, the alerts will only happen when the price touches the top border or the lower part of the rectangular, the lower border. That's it. Now, can you include trend line here and the horizontal line somewhere here? Yeah, of course you can. So you can have all the three together, as many as you want. You can have multiple horizontal lines, multiple trend lines, multiple rectangular, and as long as the price touches one of these levels, okay, or one of these drawings or levels, then you're gonna get notified. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked this indicator, and I hope it's gonna be also very useful to you. Feel free to share this to everybody, share it to your peer, share it with your peers, share it with your peers, and feel free to leave a 5 stars review if you like it. Have a good day. Bye bye.